How to set sound setting in Xiaomi phone. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. In order to set the sound setting in the phone, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the settings application on your device. As you tap on settings of the device, all you have to do is just scroll and tap on the sound and vibration option over here. As you tap on it, you'll be able to see different volumes over here. So make sure that you have toggled on and made it to the maximum or the required volume over here for your media, for your ringtone, or for your alarm as well. Then what you can do is you can go to the notification option over here and tap on the sound that you would want for your notification and how you'd want your notification sound to be like. You can just select from a list of different notification sounds over here. After that, you can go back and do the same for your ringtone as well as the alarm. Next, you can just go down and tap on Sound Assistant, where you can customize your sound settings by tapping in Adjust Media Sound and multiple apps and multiple audio sources. After that, go back and you can tap on silent mode if you want to, and you can tap on vibrate for calls or vibrate in silent mode and so on. You can also tap on vibrate on tap and you can choose the level of vibration when you tap. You can keep it off as well, just like I've done. Then go to the sound effects, and here you can adjust the sound to the different earphones or headphones and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.